So this is our room for 2 nights here in Clark, called Swissotel.
Clark.
This is our room from Azure, and now we're here. So they have a mini bar. Ooh, nice. What is in here? Nothing. They have a coffee mix. Fridge. Bottle of water. That's it. Closet. What's in here?
Closet space with a safe.
Yep. Hangers. Yep. Robe. Slippers. What's in here? Another. Oh, for iron.
Yep.
It's not that. Okay. This hotel is 4 stars.
Yeah, really
4 stars.
Yep.
Okay. This bathroom, shower. See, toilet. It's your ring light. Ring light. Nice. Okay. This is the room. This king size or queen? I think it's a king.
I don't know.
Its size is king, I'm sure.
Yeah.
They have a
TV.
Nice TV. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Dear Mr. Chuban, welcome to Swissotel, Clark, Philippines. Nice. Swissotel.
Oh gosh, this couch looks comfy.
And also it customized love. That when we entered the door, it opened. I saw it. Yeah.
No, I didn't see that. But this is automatic, so you can close.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, nice. See?
Yeah.
They have a coat. Couch. Small table.
Very comfy couch and a fancy looking chair.
Yes. Ooh.
Let me sleep there.
Nice. See, small table, cute.
Nice cute table there.
This is the view.
The view.
Here.
Yeah.
You can see the green trees.
Yeah, you can see the mountains over there.
Yep. Oh yeah, mountain. Okay. It will be 2 nights staying here.
Yep.
Hi. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.